Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting the phone permission to record app activity. Open Settings, Apps, Special Access, then Usage Access and enable it for system or security. Once done, go straight to Network and Internet or SIM and mobile networks and tap data usage to view cellular totals. At the same time, open Settings, Battery and Performance and view battery usage for power-related stats. These are the two entry points. Make sure you have the right SIM selected and any system updates applied so stats are current. Now dive into the details. Choose the time range, day, week, or month to scope the report because trends change with time frame. Tap any app to see foreground versus background usage and separate Wi-Fi and mobile breakdowns. This tells you whether an app drains battery or data in the background. Use the data saver and background restriction toggles if you want to limit activity. Also check the chart for spikes and long press entries to quickly access app settings or force stop when necessary to test behavior. Finish by taking action. Restrict background activity or uninstall apps that consume the most data or battery and set a mobile data limit or alert to prevent surprises. If a particular app's figures seem incorrect, clear its cache or reset usage stats and monitor again for a day. If the usage screen shows no data, make sure usage access is enabled for the recorder app, then reboot and check for MIUI updates. These steps fix most visibility problems and restore accurate reporting so you can manage consumption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.